I had this crazy idea to do a pop-up car meet in the middle of winter until it blew the hell up. Take it away.
Good day. We are here at Chicago Auto Pros to visit the 765 LT Spider. The car is getting full PPF right now. They have an entire army of people working on the 765 LT. So this side we have the new wheels that Steve got for it. The fronts didn't quite fit right, so we had to get spacers. It's working now. And then that side is still the OEM wheels.
So Justin gave us an opportunity to try out doing PPF ourselves on the 765. How do we feel about that?
It's gonna be great. You can't wait. I'm doing the wing, so it should be pretty easy. I am really eager to see like how difficult it is though, because it doesn't look easy, and I think I'm gonna F it up.
I'm gonna do the diffuser so nobody sees my work.
Can I do this?
All right.
What was it? Can I do this?
Yeah, go ahead.
So tell them, explain them step by step.
So this is just
I would never. Ready for this, baby?
yeah.
All right.
Oh, dude, you're doing a really good job.
You should work here.
How's that?
Get it nice and wet.
Has anyone ever sprayed someone in the face with this?
Yeah, plenty of time.
All right, bet.
You got it?
Let's do it. Yep.
All
So
right.
we're just gonna start
Yep.
slapping this shit all over the place.
Just start getting rid of. Okay, so this is what you're gonna do. Let me see this.
Yep.
So all we have to do is
straight
get
We're
rid
gonna
of the
mess
air
this
and the
up.
moisture at the same time.
Okay.
Cool.
Sounds good. How much pressure do I want to apply? Can I damage it by applying too much pressure?
Yes.
Okay.
So let me see you do one pass first.
Do I have to hold this or no?
Yeah, hold it.
Okay.
Not enough pressure. Do more pressure.
Okay.
Too much. A
Really?
little bit less. Yeah. Natalia. Other side.
I just usually let Tommy do all the work, but
No. You gotta get in there too.
It's crazy.
See, here's the worst thing though. Look at this big old
Oh
hair.
my gosh.
Come here.
I don't know what you're
Come
talking
here.
Get this up.
We're gonna put this underneath.
Tommy, you're really hairy.
Right there.
So I'm doing better than Tommy, right?
That's called the Polish Girl Scout. That
You guys
technique.
are doing pretty good.
I found my calling after my time as a collection manager, so. That is it. Steve, I'm sorry, but I've been in my 2 weeks. This is so satisfying.
Your big head is blocking.
Oh, I feel like the salt guy. I just want to like get some PPF. Bet. Going back into round 2.
That's cool.
That's gonna be the outro.
Well, we gave it our best shot. We actually did so poorly, he's ripping off the entire piece. It was not usable.
We started it with my side.
I needed it.
Today is the day of the big car meet. About a week ago, we decided that we want to do a pop-up car meet in the middle of the freezing cold winter. And really, what better time to do it? So we decided we were going to do it right here at Seven Dwarfs Family Restaurant. And this is a super important restaurant to me. I've been coming here since I was a kid. I love it. Delicious food here in Wheaton. It's been here since the 50s. And then the problem happened that over 1,000 people said they were going to come. So after kind of freaking out, we pivoted quickly. We found a second venue, Arrowhead Golf Course, and they've just frankly got a bigger restaurant and parking lot to accommodate all of the people we expect to show up. So we are super pumped. We have a lot to do today. We're going to be giving away merchandise, and we're going to be paying for the meal for everybody that comes or everybody that fits in the restaurant. What do you guys think?
I can't wait. It's gonna be a lot of fun.
I think, babe, if you want to show this parking lot, there's no way we would have fit everyone in here.
Yes.
It's gonna be a wild turnout.
I was hoping to have like 80 or to 150 people, like that range, and
Yep.
I mean, it exploded. So we need a lot of space.
We had about 1,000 people on our poll on Instagram say that they're coming out, so this should be a fun day.
If there's one thing, it's that we've got the best damn supporters that a guy could wish for.
All right, we are here at Brighton. We have a lot of cars that have to get washed before this meet. Tommy, you called in?
Yeah, I called them yesterday morning to let them know that we need about 8 cars washed before 2 p.m. today. So we've been piggybacking cars all day, and they're doing a great job. So Brighton Auto Detailing, we appreciate you. This is some of the back end work before big shows. We drive these cars all the time in the winter, so there's salt all over most of Steve's cars. So we want to get them all clean before the big meet tonight. But they're looking great. Thank you, Brighton. And let's go get this thing set up. I'm gonna walk you guys through the cars that we're bringing to the pop-up meet tonight. First off, we have the 1967 Chevelle. This car Steve has owned the longest of anything that's currently in his fleet. Next up is the Pan Am wide-body Corvette C8 convertible. This is actually the world's first Pan Am convertible C8, which is kind of cool. I just lived on ice. So next one of my personal favorites, the 2006 Ford GT. Fun fact, this car was the second to last production Ford GT ever made. Next up, we are also bringing the McLaren Senna. This is one of the best looking cars in the collection. It has a custom one-off unobtainium exhaust and an M engineering tune. It was previously owned by Deadmau5. It's a fun one. One of the cars that holds a very special place in my heart is the twin-turbo Audi R8 RWS. This is one of one in the world in maritime blue, and those wheels are hideous. If you guys want me to run them over with the Rosvani, please comment below. I'll do it, I swear to God.
They're not hideous.
I hate them.
The color's bad.
They're really bad. The old wheels are better. Also, the 911 Safari. This thing is super cool. It's one of the cars that has most recently joined the collection. It's very different than anything else Steve owns, and it's just a ton of fun to rip around. I'm glad it's going to be at the meet tonight. This is another one of one in the collection. This is the Porsche 918 Spider Weissach package. This is a PTS gray black with guards red. Another super clean car in the collection. This is will be a fun little debut tonight. A lot of our followers haven't seen it. On that note, I am freezing my buns off. I'm gonna go inside and get some coffee. Natalia, take it away.
You want?
I wouldn't touch that with a 10-foot pole.
That's fair. All right, guys. Next up, we have the SLS AMG. It is wrapped in midnight purple. We know Steve picked out these bad boys. We have a Rotiform QLBs on these, 20-inch. Steve, find better taste. Next up, we have the McLaren P1. It is in the color Volcano Red, and it has a super heavy door. On to the next. Pagani Huayra, or shall I say Huayra, midnight blue, and it is Keith Urban's old car, which is a very fun fact. This is the newest addition to the collection, and by far my favorite right now, especially with this paint match hardware on the wheels. Steve did an excellent job choosing wheels for this car. Love the Papaya Spark. And our Rolls Royce, previously owned by Tristan Thompson, the newest addition to the Chicago Bulls.
And this is the Rosvani Hercules Military 6x6, one of the new additions to the collection, and also one broke.
Tommy's grabbing the last few cars from Brighton, and we are going to go ahead and whip the rest of the cars here onto Arrowhead for the show.
Good day, everybody. This is my Rosvani. So if everything goes as usual, this will probably break halfway through me talking because this thing just breaks all the time. Thank you all for coming. We will make sure the first 200 people, and dude, you guys are freaking crazy coming here this early. Like we thought we were going to beat the crowd, but nope, there's like 40 people here already. Cool. We appreciate y'all.
That's too fun. I love it. I love it.
I watched Henry drive this on the way in, and it's literally driving. It's really bad.
Bro, when I was going like 50 on Butterfield, it was like...
Is that how it was like?
No, not that bad, but I could actually feel it. No,
it was
exactly
just like that?
This. It was exactly like that.
Holy I it up, man. Well, we just got all the cars set up. The show starts in about 15 minutes, and there's a pretty good turnout. I'm happy with it. I love our subscribers and followers and supporters. It means a lot to us to see you guys out here and enjoying the cars as much as we do. So it's fulfilling seeing how many people saw this and came out and came to support us and see the cars.
Okay, so what do you think of the wheels? Not the wheels, but the finish.
The finish, I think it looks good.
You think the finish looks good?
I like it. I like it.
Stop!
Stop it? No, I like it. It's flashy.
He's getting brownie points with Steve.
I'm just happy that they actually fit the first time around.
All right, on to the next. What do you guys think about the wheel finish right here?
I like the color, but
did you notice the little pause?
the lip. I wish the lip was a different color. I don't like black lips.
I agree with that. I can agree with that.
Black lips.
I can agree. I think if the lip was also the same color, I think it would look way better.
If it was color match,
Weren't the other ones like drag
if it was
wheels,
color
though?
match, it would.
So that's fine. So I work at a Ford dealership. Are you interested in a Mach 1 at all too? We have one for sale. It's stick shift.
It is a Ford. So
You already have one of them. I know. It's just.
I mean, you could send the details in, maybe.
Okay.
I think the next up on my list is I've got a new Bugatti Chiron SS on order.
There you go.
Oh, nice. What is your? Oh, you're a salesman?
Yeah.
You're so young. I like always envision salesman as.
I had to start off young, man.
How old are you?
19. We're all salesmen.
You are young, for real?
Yep, we're all salesmen. They actually accidentally knocked on your door. They're door-to-door salesmen.
Like door-to-door sales at my door in my house?
Yes.
Oh, nice. All right. All right. What were you guys selling?
We sell a Chicago Tribune subscription and a coupon. Yeah, all your neighbors bought, but I think you weren't home. So,
Is this the one where you where they come to the house, you write them a check, and then you never see a subscription?
No, you'll actually get the subscription.
will, yeah.
Just
you
the
will.
I've been fooled on the magazine scam where the guys come and they sell you magazines and then I write them a check, and I know I'm never going to see the magazine.
So what do you think of the Pagani?
I mean, it's just the best looking car ever made. I mean, look at that thing.
Is this your favorite out of the whole collection?
Probably.
Yeah?
I mean, it's hard to beat. AMG V12 and just it's screaming up to, what is it, like 7,000 to 8,000 RPM?
Heck yeah, man. Thank you. I appreciate it, bro.
Yeah.
It's a pretty loud exhaust. Tommy, louder!
You got to be in first gear and then pull both paddle shifters, and then the first gear thing starts flashing.
Interesting.
I know, this one didn't work. It was 4,000 RPMs, and I put it in first, pulled both paddle shifters, and then it worked.
And then it allows you to rev without the rev limiter.
Was it loud? It sounded quiet in the car.
Dude, it was loud as
All right,
heck.
I'll take it.
Okay.
Loud as heck.
Loud as heck.
I mean, there's like
People
revving, people parked in
I know.
handicap. There's no way we will ever be invited back to do this, so at least not here, but we will do it again somewhere else.
To our subscribers and followers and fans, if we have a meet, please be respectful so we can have more meets. We want to raise money for charity and hang out with you guys and let you see the cars. So, but the peeling out and revving.
On that same note, though, you guys are badass for this awesome turnout. This is more than I would have ever expected. So, proud.
I know. I want to say like, don't like you just stop, but don't stop.
How many people? How many people do you think are actually here right now?
I mean, we gave away 200 wristbands before it even started. At 4:55, it started at 5. At 4:55 p.m., we had 200 wristbands already handed out. So.
They were like animals. Just kidding.
Who even knows? Do you have some super secret hidden ones?
Me with wristbands.
You got some hidden ones? It's like she went to the strip club. She knows.
Come get your merch. 15 minutes left. Come get your merch.
How much merch do we sell?
Let me check real quick. We were at 200 before. We're at 2,000 right now, so that's 1,800 plus cash. It's close to 2,000 merch.
Yo.
All the profits go to charity. That's what's amazing.
That was in 1 hour.
The funny thing about charity is my middle name. I'm just kidding. That's crazy. Thank you guys for the support. That's amazing. That's a lot. I'm really impressed.
Big shout out.
Good
to
job, Henry.
Thank
Give it up for Henry. Let's go. Henry, 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 Henry.
Guess how much we made off of merch?
By we made, you mean we sold?
Yes, Steve.
$1,673.
We made a solid $2,054.
Wow, very nice, very nice. All profits to charity. That's the best part about it.
And Henry gets paid this week.
And also, look at and Henry. Yeah, Henry. We can pay Henry this week. Great. This will be the first time I've paid him since he started.
6 months ago. I don't know how to.
If we get everyone's attention just for 1 second, I wanted to say a big thank you to Steve for doing all of this for all of us, and just how much he does for the local car community. He's a good dude, and I don't think he gets a lot of recognition, but not enough recognition. So I just wanted everybody to give it up for Steve really quick.
Thank you, everybody. I hope that the food is delicious. Thank you to the awesome crew here that pulled this together literally in 6 days. Actually, We gave Arrowhead
days.
less of an advance because we had the shift venue. So in 4 days, they pulled all of this together. They got the team here to help support it. And I was just telling my crew how it's going to feel like a Friday for everybody because it feels like it's like a Friday night now that we're out here celebrating. So don't forget you have work and school tomorrow. All right? Thanks everybody for coming. We appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you. We are back from the pop-up car meet, and it has been a long freaking day. All the cars are here in the garage, parked, ready to go to bed. We actually collected over $3,000 worth of merchandise sales, and as you know, all profits go to charity for that. And while we're speaking of merch, here we have all of this lovely merchandise. Here is that lovely Porsche GT3 RS in the lizard green that I've got. And you can just see the link in the video here, or click the link in the description, and that'll take you right to our merch store. Again, all profits to charity, and everything we do on this channel and any other social media channels. And be sure to follow us on Instagram, check out our TikTok, you're already on YouTube, and just remember that everything that we do on all of these channels, all the money that we make from it goes straight to charity. So any subscribers you can send our way, that just helps everybody else. Thanks everybody, and I hope your day is as fun as mine's been. Well, now, one-handed clap, bro.
Attaboy, he did
Come on,
it.
just like the last one.